credits to Jackass for this video. No, that's not it. I this paint and just write whatever. I don't know if whatever, but that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anong oras na? Maaga ka gigising.
Wait lang.
Kailangan 4:30 gising ka na.
That and add the layer and whatever you want.
Bagal mo pang kumilos, paano-ano ka pa? Kaya na-late ka. Ito kasi ama na to eh, hindi mo na tumulong. No? Wala ko pusing ko.
Okay, so where's it now? Click into this normal and click screen. So yeah, that's the tutorial.